Hello. Activity 1 in the web Speak and Improve. And this is a question 1. Over 400 people visited our library at the sports center are now able between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. Students have to be registered with Ms. Clerk by the end of Friday. That equipment have been collected and stored. Students may leave the classroom. What types of company do the majority of IT students work in after finish their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles with results in worsening air pollution. And this is the results for the questions in the web Expand and Improve. Thank you.